Hey everyone, it's Shayla here. Today's workout is for intermediate and advanced exercisers. Please exercise at your own risk. We're going to do a full circuit, 9 exercises. Each exercise is 1 minute each with a 20-second break in between each exercise. So we're going long today, so pace yourself, have a good time, hit your minute, take your 20-second break. We're going to start out with a high plank hold. Abdominals are sucked in, belly button to the spine, shoulders and wrists are in a straight line. Pressing back through the heels will engage the glutes in the lower body and hold that plank. Next, we're going into high plank shoulder taps. So you're back in that high plank, abdominals in, tap those shoulders and spread those feet. Here it is from the side. Did you ask for cardio? I know you did. Lunge jumps, one of my faves. Hit it and hit it hard. Here we are from the side, powering through the legs. And then here we are from the front. Next is a seated shoulder press. Abdominals should be in. You should have a flat back. You're gonna press straight up with those arms. One at a time, and then both. Here's a side view of the same exercise. Notice my back is flat, my abdominals are in, and I'm pressing up. I love to hate these. These are crunch tucks. You're gonna start sitting up tall, lean back into a V-sit position. Arms can be in or away from the body, and you're gonna tuck in and release the legs. In and out, abdominals are nice and tight. One arm can be free, one arm on the floor, or both arms can be up. You choose how you want to elevate it, then give me a balance somewhere in that crunch tuck. Give me a balance to finish. More cardio, drive those knees up and the high knees, push, 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 push. We're going back to upper body with rows, abdominals in, back flat, knees bent, and then 2 single rows and then 1 with both arms. Squeezing the shoulder blade at the top of the row. Now I'm going to give you the side view. I want you to see that I've bent my knees, my back is flat, my abdominals are in, and I'm squeezing the shoulder blade at the top of that row. Squeeze, squeeze. I know, we're almost done. Give me a squat hold, abdominals in and get down as low as you can. Here's a side view of that same squat hold. Get as low as you can, abdominals in, back flat. Our finisher today is a squat pulse. You're gonna stay in that squat hold, press through the heels and pulse it up. You did it, congratulations, I'm proud of you.